Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, or I'm going to be breaking down how I made this cover art for Sky. Yeah, we're just going to, be breaking that shit down. Now, if you guys do want to go ahead and cop some presets and shit like that, make sure you guys do go down below and check out the website. Make sure you guys do join the Discord too. We're trying to run the Creative Wars up on there, so you guys try and, compete for, cover art contents and shit like that. Make sure you guys do join up. Yeah, let's get straight into it. So, this is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna really just kind of go through everything. I'm gonna hide the adjustments. So first of all, I got this little background. This is a gothic background. Like I just looked up gothic castle background. I really like these kind of backgrounds, especially the ones with like blue tones to them, where there's kind of like a light coming in from the back. I've done like another cover like this. I don't know where to put the cam. I'm gonna put the cam up here. I'll put it. I don't know where to put the cam. I'll have it here. So basically what this is, it's just a background. I'll show you guys without the adjustments on. I'm gonna turn these off. So yeah, basically all it is just a gothic background. I think it's AI or some sort of 3D kind of like scene. I'm not really sure, but it looks fire. I just went with it. I really went with it because the lighting on this image specifically is kind of like really bright and outdoorsy, so the sun's hitting shit like that, so I thought it would like fit well with it. But yeah, I'm just going to turn the adjustments on here because that's how I actually work. Maybe not all of them, but I definitely work with this gradient on. If you guys are wondering what this is the overlay gradient, black and white overlay 100. You can adjust this depending on your image. I like a 100 most of the time. So next thing I did was I went ahead and made a clipping mask, made a little glow here for the lighting. This is just a linear dodge add, bring it down to 58. Did the same thing here, just a bit more, kind of like add more of the darker tones, put that to linear light 60%, then a darker kind of like shadow, kept that normal, 64% fill, and then I added these kind of like spots here, so up here, then just around the image. And I also use this kind of ruler here to get like a midpoint. I kind of use it as like a divider, so just merge that. And then what I did here was I duplicated it. I didn't blur or anything. I just put soft light, kind of like rotated it a little bit, brought it over, and just brought it there, just put soft light. I got this layer mask here, so if this is just normal, if it was normal it would look like that, but I kind of erased some parts and made it look like that. Then I merged that and I just zoomed it in a bit, and then what I did here was I got a glow. I'm gonna kind of recreate this for you guys. Go to blur, Gaussian blur, like an 8.4, and then lighter color. The reason I did this was because of these adjustments. It just came out really fire and I kind of like the way it was looking. But yeah, then I just merged them two together. But yeah, so kind of just got this right here. All I did was I just flipped it upside down, vertical, flipped it vertical, zoomed it in a lot, put that to saturation. Like I just be messing around with shit. Like if it looks nice, I'm gonna go with it. You feel me? Then I merged it. Then what I did here was I went for a chromatic aberration. To actually get that menu, what you want to do is you want to double click on the layer, go to blending options, channels. I just have the red selected here. And what you want to do is you want to use your arrow keys left and right to kind of just move it wherever you want to move it. Then you want to duplicate it again, and instead of the red channel, you want to click the blue channel. And in case you guys are wondering, it's going to have all of them checked, so you just have to uncheck two of them, and yeah, just move left and right with your arrow keys and you'll get that look. So now I'm just going to break down the adjustments. Yeah, these are my go-to kind of like, it's like a whole ass routine. Like if you guys go back to my other videos, it's kind of like a whole ass routine. Yeah, so we have the black and white gradient map with the overlay 100 fill, black market, lighter color fill, bring that to 50%. If you guys don't have this, I do recommend you guys actually getting this. It's a really good like texture pack, not sponsored or anything. It's just really good. I use it on a lot of cover arts. I'll leave a link down below to it. Then you have your brightness and contrast. Bring the brightness up, the contrast up a little bit more than brightness is usually my rule of thumb with it. The curves, I like to make this little S shape. It's kind of universal, I feel like. If not, I might be stupid. Some designers put me on, but this is how I've been doing it for years now, literally years. But yeah, vibrance. I just like to bring the vibrance down. Kind of just makes it look fire. And then this was just a little pink, black, pink, and white gradient. Bring that to saturation, because without it, I kind of did like that, but then I was messing around with the blend modes and shit, and I found the saturation. I thought that was hard as fuck. Then the exposure. I bring it to 79 or around that anyways, like 0079. Then just gamma correct it. Like you kind of just want to eyeball that as well. You want to make sure it's dark. And then the parental advisory, I like to put it in dark areas, and then screen, because if it's not in screen, sometimes, you know, it will look out of place and doesn't really blend in. So like I like to put screen. You can also just like keep it normal and bring it under everything, but sometimes it looks weird and doesn't come out like crisp. So I just put it on top, put it screen, and yeah, that's basically it. It's a pretty simple cover. Like there's not really much to it, but yeah, just a little breakdown, just kind of show you guys, like give you guys some sort of an idea. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe. Also, if you guys do want to check out the adjustment pack, the all-in-one pack, the mixed media pack, all my packs, make sure you guys do go ahead, check out my website down below. And yeah, peace.